2005 F650 Pro Loader Super Truck. This truck has a custom hauler bed. There's the VIN number. It does have 314,000 miles. That's why we wanted to do this video. We've had a lot of inquiries and seen that a lot of people have been clicking onto this truck because it is so affordable. Yes, the price is right, $29,995. This truck has a fifth wheel on the back, ball on the bumper, and this truck is so nice for the money. It almost makes us think that we may have mispriced it a little bit, but we bought this truck in a package with a trailer, and the particular previous owner used it for moving classic and exotic cars. We were told from like Barrett Jackson type situations, but we do know that he was a restoration company, so more than likely was dropping off and picking up their restored vehicles for high-end clients. We've seen that quite often. It's a full lariat interior with leather, and you can see, other than a little bit of wear on the floor mat, this truck, we actually had one person look at it and he thought it was 31,000 miles. It is 314 by the titling, but you could mistake it for a 50,000 mile truck, or maybe even a 30,000 mile truck, as clean as it is. I said the carpet and interior is spotless, and somebody that does restoration work for sure would have taken good care of their vehicle. Not rusty, as you can see from the rocker panels, bottoms of the doors. It does have dual tanks. I'll fire it up real quick so you can hear it run. It does have air ride suspension, push button Allison transmission, trailer brake control, and a really cool low cut body. He was pulling a stacker enclosed trailer. Crossover box. It's actually got some straps in it. 19.5 alloy wheels. Skirts down both sides, hiding the tank. Motor runs great. Tire condition is good. A little bit of paint flaking on the roof surface, but a good, solid, good running truck. We had one of our buyers drive this vehicle in about 500 miles, I think it was. Might have been 600 miles. So it's had a good road trip, runs out great, and very well equipped. No lights on the dash other than a parking brake light, which goes off when you take the brake off. It does have an air parking brake. It does have the quick mount, so back right up to a trailer and hook up no problem at all real quickly. You would not know the miles by looking at this truck or driving this truck. Upgraded headlights. Missing one center cap on that back wheel. That's probably the biggest complaint, cosmetically or mechanically. Freshly serviced and inspected. This truck's ready to go. www.davis4x4.com or 804-271-0030 for more information. Thanks.